Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical expressions. We'll be evaluating 6th root of 5 minus 16 over square root 5 plus 1. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to x first. Now we have denominator square root 5 plus 1. So I can begin with rationalizing denominator. So I need to multiply with the denominator's conjugate. So conjugate of root 5 plus 1 is square root 5 minus 1. So we'll multiply in the numerator denominator. Now in the denominator we have one specific form a plus b times a minus b, which we can write a square minus b square. Let's write x will be equal to 6th root of 5 minus 16 times square root 5 minus 1 over square root 5 square minus 1 square. Now square root and square will be cancelled out. We can write 6th root of 5 minus 16 times square root 5 minus 1 over 5 minus 1 square is 1. X will be equal to 6th root of 5 minus 16 times square root 5 minus 1 over 4. Now we can cancel 16 with denominator 4. 6th root of 5 minus 4 times square root 5 minus 1. So x will be equal to 6th root of 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 4, which will be equal to 6th root of 9 minus 4 square root 5. This is our x so far. We can write x in the form of rational power. So I will be writing 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power 1 over 6, which we will write 9 minus 4 square root 5. 1 we can write 3 minus 2. Denominator 6 we can write 3 times 2. Now 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power. I can write 3 over 3 times 2 minus 2 over 3 times 2. Now here we will cancel 3 with 3 and here we will cancel 2 with 2. So I can write 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Now we know that a power b minus c. We can write a power b over a power c. Let's apply. X will be 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power half over 9 minus 4 root 5 with power 1/3. Or we can write the square root of 9 minus 4 root 5 over cube root of 9 minus 4 root 5. Now we have to calculate numerator and denominator separately. Let's begin with numerator. So I will write x equal to n over d equal to square root 9 minus 4 root 5 over cube root 9 minus 4 square root 5. Let's find out numerator first. So I can write a square root of 9. We can write 5 plus 4. Then we have negative 4 root 5. 5 we can write square root 5 whole square. 4 can be written as 2 whole square. Then minus 2 times square root 5 times 2, which is 4 root 5. Now I will be writing one algebraic formula, a square plus b square minus 2 times ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square. So I can write square root of square root 5 minus 2 whole square. Now we can cancel square root with square. So our numerator will come out square root 5 minus 2. So this is the value of our numerator. Now the turn of denominator, the cube root. So I will write here cube root of 9 minus 4 square root 5. I will consider this cube root equal to a first. Let's consider cubing both sides. So I can write a cube will be equal to 9 minus 4 square root 5. Now a cube is positive, but in the interval 0 and 1 only. It is the fractional or decimal value. Now I will consider b cube, which is the conjugate of a cube, 9 plus 4 square root 5. Once a cube is in the interval 0 and 1, then we can conclude a must be in the interval 0 and 1. So our answer will be a must lie in the interval 0 and 1. Now I will add these two equations. So I can write a cube plus b cube will be equal to 18. Let us say this is our equation 1. Now I will multiply these two. So a cube times b cube will be equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 times 9 plus 4 root 5. Again we can use difference of two squares formula. So LHS will be AB whole cube. RHS will be 9 whole square minus 4 square root 5 whole square. 9 square is 81 and 4 root 5 square will be 16 times 5, so 80. So this value will come out 1. Can we write 1 as 1 cube? LHS is AB whole cube. Once we will consider cube root both sides, for real AB value, we will get AB equal to 1. I will call this is equation number 2. So I can write here two equations, a cube plus b cube equal to 18 and AB equal to 1. Let us write one algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube, which will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now let us consider a plus b equal to t. So LHS will be t cube. From first equation a cube plus b cube is 18. AB from second equation it is 1. A plus b is t. So we will get finally one cubic equation. And equation will be t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0. Now I will use rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So I need to know the factors of constant 18. So I can write plus minus 1 plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, and so on. Leading coefficient is 1, so we will write plus minus 1. If I will plug in t equal to 1, will it satisfy? 1 minus 3 minus 18? No. T equal to 2, 8 minus 6 minus 18? No. T equal to 3. So 3 cube is 27 minus 9 minus 18. Yes, this is true. So I will say t equal to 3 is our base solution. Let me write t cube minus 3t minus 18 equal to 0 with base solution t equal to 3. Now I will write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So coefficient of t cube is 1. Coefficient of t square, it is not here. So I will write 0. Coefficient of t, it is negative 3. Constant minus 18. 1 would be as it is 1. Now we have to multiply 3 with 1. So I will write here 3. Addition of these two will give us 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3 plus 9 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 18 plus 18 is 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. So I can write equation as t square plus 3t plus 6 equal to 0. Now I will check only the discriminant value. As per formula, it is b square minus 4ac, where a is coefficient of t square, so 1, b is coefficient of t, so 3, and c is constant, so plus 6. So b square will be 3 square minus 4 times ac. A is 1, c is 6. So 9 minus 24, which will give us minus 15. As our discriminant is negative, we will get complex solutions. So rejected solution. So the only accepted value of t would be t3, t equal to 3. So I will write here t equal to a plus b, which was our substitution, equal to 3. And now I will write our second equation, ab equal to 1. Now this is one system which we have to solve for the value of a. So from second equation, I can write the value of b 1 over a, and this value I will apply in first equation. So I can write a plus 1 over a equal to 3. Multiply both sides with a. So I can write a square plus 1 equal to 3a, or a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic, we can use quadratic formula. So I can write a will be equal to minus b. So minus of minus 3 plus minus is square root of b square. So minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 over 2 times a is 1. So I will write 1 equal to 3 plus minus is square root 9 minus 4 over 2. So 3 plus minus is square root 5 over 2, or I can write 3 plus root 5 over 2, or 3 minus root 5 over 2. Now we know the value of square root 5. It is approximately 2.23. Approximate value. So if I will check, this will be 5.23 over 2. Value will be greater than 1. And here 3 minus 2.23. This will be our value in between 0 and 1. So I will accept this one, and this solution we will reject. So our denominator, it is 3 minus square root 5 over 2. Let's find x. So I will write x equal to square root 9 minus 4 root 5 over cube root 9 minus 4 root 5. Now I will write our numerator as root 5 minus 2. And denominator we calculated 3 minus square root 5 over 2. Now I can write x will be equal to 2 times square root 5 minus 2 over 3 minus square root 5. Again I will rationalize our denominator, so I will multiply with 3 square root 5 in the numerator and denominator. Now I will write 2 times square root 5 minus 2 times 3 plus square root 5 over 3 square minus root 5 square. I can write here 2 times. Let's multiply 3 square root 5 minus 2 square root 5. So it will be only root 5. Then we are having 5 minus 6, so minus 1 over 9 minus 5. So I will get 2 times square root 5 minus 1 over 4. We will get our answer square root 5 minus 1 over 2. This is the value of x, our expression. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Till then, bye bye.